All right, today we're doing something different. We got these tasty buns here, right? So this is only body shop related because we're gonna do a crap video. This is me, and I'm gonna eat because I'm hungry. And if I don't eat, I'm gonna get crusty, and I'm likely not gonna want to do any body work at all. I don't got my tripod in here, none of that. I use my phone. My videos are meh, you know. I'm no Scorsese's, so basically we're gonna show you the most important thing that you need to know about body work and any kind of auto restoration, and everything smells like products, and smells like various dust. So if you're gonna take the time to eat, you could do like grab a granola bar, but we're not gonna do that because that sucks. What we're gonna do, let's see what we got here. No, we don't want that. So yesterday I had bacon. I kept some. Ooh, here we go. Chicken breast, oven roasted. Check that out. Ooh, 3. Well, I was gonna take 2, but look at that. Look at that. See, they say the bread's bad, and people are like eating all the sandwich stuff, but minus the bread because carbs are bad. So what I'm gonna do, just a little bit of a bun, these homemade guys, and we'll throw a lot of meat on there. We're gonna set up some bacon. Anyway, and people like to, put it on a certain way and make it look delicious, like, like Subway and that kind of thing. But we're not going to do that. We're going to literally every stitch of bacon I got, except this piece, because I'm going to eat it. Well, the rest of it's on there. So I think people are going to be mad about this video because they're always expecting, content. But I'm not a content creator. I just basically share stuff with other people in the trade that do stuff, and some people view, and I enjoy that, and it's fun. YouTube's fun for me. I don't think it'll ever make money, and that's not what I'm trying to do. I'm going to put the phone down. Basically, just setting my phone up against a loaf of bread or whatever. I got this cheese the other day, and you know how sometimes you get cheese and instead of sticky, it's like super duper dry and rubbery? That's how we like it, eh? It's nice and dry and almost squeaks on your teeth. We're just going to shave off a bunch of that. We're going to eat a piece. We're going to layer that on right on top of the bacon. Now you could throw this in the microwave and get it to go all melty. Gosh, that sounds good. I should do that. But I'm probably not gonna. I'm hungry. So we're going to put this together. And so you got your sandwich with a bunch of meat, bunch of bacon, bunch of cheese. Now we're going to go what? What are we going to do? I'm going to grab this cucumber. Like I said, worst video ever. So, if you want to comment that I made the worst sandwich making video in the world, that's awesome. Because, I don't do food content. I don't really care. Don't even know why I'm making this video. I basically had to come into the house for my phone to charge, and I'm starving. So, basically, look at that. I'm not even using the right knife. I'm going to almost shave the cucumber. I don't like big chunks, but I like the flavor and what have you. I guess I'm 2 for 2 on picking the wrong knife today. Anyway, we're going to scatter that in the mayonnaise on the top part of that bun. Now, it was too fat for the sandwich, so we'll do that. I find the cucumber, the thinner the better. As such, right? Oh, look at that. Throw that on there. Throw that tomato on there. Hoo-hoo-hoo. And you eat the first piece. we're going to do that. Look at that hack job. I'm hacking up my tomato, which is nothing. When I have time, I dice it, but I'm so hungry that I don't even care right now. So we're gonna throw that on there. Good thing I'm doing this before my hands are all body shop dirty, right? So off camera, I'm literally wiping my hands on my shirt because I don't really care, because I'm gonna get really, really dusty today. So this is the most important restoration thing in any restoration shop, any body shop, any mechanic shop, and quite frankly, carpenters, plumbers, all you guys out there. Most important thing you can do this. Eat good food. And I don't even know if I can flip this over now, but yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to go off camera, and I'm going to eat this and probably make a big old mess all over the place. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. Cheers.